Hello everyone. Do you aim to target ITJ mains and advanced examination and still struggling from where to start, what to study? Guys, here your educator Megha is coming live on an Academies Plus platform with a course for you on organic chemistry. This is a course which will cover the basic principles of organic chemistry and which is a prerequisite for your ITJ mains and advanced examination in the organic chemistry section. Guys, here I am going to cover this course comprehensively, which will include each and every topic the hybridization involved in the organic compounds, the type of reagents, the electrophiles, nucleophiles, radicals, the types of reaction intermediates, the carbocations, carbanions, radicals and their applications, along with the electronic displacement method, which is the inductive effect, electromagnetic effect. So just go through the IIT mains and advanced syllabus. There you will get to know what this topic includes and covers all about. So every topic will be covered along with its applications, along with the practice questions. Guys, here I have kept in this course, I have kept the specific number of sessions for the practice. We will also be having the doubt clearing sessions so that each and everyone's doubt will be considered, acknowledged and will be answered on time. Okay, so guys, this course is going to cover 24 sessions. Okay, we'll be covering 24 sessions and every session is going to be of 90 minutes. Okay, and what else I want to tell you is, guys, do join this course. Here I am going to make this course very interesting for you. You will really going to like the organic chemistry, and it's going to be very lucid, very simple. Okay, just join me for this course, which is going to start from the 15th of July. Yes, the timings for the course will be from 9:15 p.m. onwards. Okay, and the session is going to be of 9-10 minutes. This is what I want to tell you, and I will be waiting for my learners to join the course on time. So guys, you have to be very consistent throughout the course, because there are only three things which helps us in learning and achieving success, which is the consistency. So definitely regularly you have to attend the lectures. Then try to make notes. Okay, you will also be provided with the PDFs. I will be giving you my own handwritten notes. Okay, you will not be struggling with that anything anymore. And then you have to practice questions. Okay, we will also be covering the questions from the previous year papers. So this is what is needed to crack any paper or to cover any topic of any competitive exam. So if you are targeting IIT JEE or any other equivalent examination, yes guys, this course is going to help you. Okay, so this will be live on an Academy Plus, so you must be having the Academy Plus subscription. So if you are not having yet, then guys, buy the subscription using a code MEGHALIFE that will offer you 10% additional discount. And those who are unknown and don't know about me, you can search for my profile on an Academy. My name is Megha, and just look or just Google it, Megha Unacademy. You will get my profile and you will get to know more about me, as I am a graduate and a postgraduate in chemistry, and I am also a CSI UGC NET qualified with All India rank 25. So I think guys, you all are excited and you all are ready to join me from 15th of July in the course Organic Chemistry for class 11 standard students, and all the other students, those who find this course helpful or are struggling with this topic, can also join the course. Okay guys, we'll see you in the class.